Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars, trucks, vehicles in this area. So now let's check with me everyone. Mobil Tanki, Mobil Tanki បាទឬក៏ tank truck ប្រភេទ lan stand អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទ lan stand mini airplane បាទ mini airplane អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទយន្តហោះតូច monster truck បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះ monster truck មិន excavator ទេ monster truck ប្រភេទឡានចម្លែកបាទឡានរៀងចម្លែក excavator cute excavator everybody excavator super motorbike ប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំ super motorbike red super motorbike ម៉ូតូធំពណ៌ក្រហមបងប្អូន Captain America Hero Captain America បាទ Hero Captain America Hero Batman បាទ Hero មនុស្សពជាវ Police Super Motorbike ម៉ូតូប៉ូលីស Cement Mixer Truck ឡានក្លោកស៊ីម៉ង Mobil Truk បាទឬក៏ truck ឡានដឹកដី Monster Truck បាទ Monster Truck ប្រភេទឡានចម្លែក Captain America Hero Captain America Shoot racing car Mobil Tanki ឬក៏ tank truck បាទឡាន stand Cabbage truck បាទ Cabbage truck ឡានប្រមូលសម្រាម Flash អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការ check another bigger truck. Firstly I have to put some water. Yellow super motorbike. Green car. Green racing car. Excavator. Mini excavator. Cement mixer truck. Green car. Mobil Truk បាទ Mobil Truk ឬក៏ truck បាទឡានដឹកដី Okay, everybody, if you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.